Today in this video we will see how to get wide angle on Snapchat. This is amazing filter and feature in Snapchat new update. When you open Snapchat and click one photo, here you can see not use wide angle. Today we will see how to get wide angle in Snapchat. This is normal Snapchat account. Just click on search bar icon and here you can see search this keyword wide wide angle effect and search this is amazing feature to click any snap with some filter. Scroll down, let's see, this is the logo wide angle effect. Click on wide angle. I tell you the comparison of simple snap and wide angle snap. This is the wide angle. To get, just click one snap and save this. Let's see the effect wide angle you use in both back and front camera. Open snap to see the wide angle effect. This is the normal snap and this snap click by the wide angle. This is amazing feature providing by the Snapchat. You can easily get and search wide angle. If you like this video, share a video with friend. Goodbye.